Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly fascinating to share with you. We're diving into the world of Chinese soy milk, and uncovering some unknown facts about this delicious and nutritious beverage. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the main ingredient of soy milk, soybeans. These small legumes have been cultivated in China for thousands of years and play a significant role in Chinese cuisine. In fact, China is the largest producer and consumer of soybeans in the world. Did you know that the process of making soy milk in China is quite different from what you might expect? Traditionally, Chinese soy milk is made by soaking and grinding soybeans, and then boiling them in water. The resulting mixture is strained to remove the solids, leaving behind a smooth and creamy liquid. One of the unique aspects of Chinese soy milk is its widespread availability. In China, you can find soy milk being sold at street food stalls, breakfast shops, and even in supermarkets. It's a popular choice for breakfast or as a refreshing drink throughout the day. Not only is soy milk consumed as a beverage, but it's also used in various Chinese desserts and dishes. For example, tofu pudding, also known as duhua, is a silky and delicate dessert made from soy milk. It's often served with sweet syrup or toppings like red bean paste. Now, here's an interesting fact: China has a wide variety of flavored soy milk options. From classic flavors like vanilla and chocolate to more unique ones like matcha and taro, the choices are endless. These flavored soy milk drinks are a hit among both the young and the old. Let's talk about the health benefits of Chinese soy milk. It's no secret that soy milk is a great source of plant-based protein, making it an excellent alternative for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Additionally, it's rich in essential nutrients such as calcium, iron, and B vitamins. Another surprising fact about Chinese soy milk is that it's often enjoyed warm. In China, it's common to drink soy milk hot, especially during the colder months. The warmth adds a comforting touch and enhances the flavors. And now, let's talk about the cultural significance of soy milk in China. The Chinese hold a soy milk festival annually to celebrate this beloved beverage. During this festival, people gather to enjoy soy milk and its related products, participate in soy milk-themed activities, and even learn about the history and production of soy milk. Well, there you have it, folks. Chinese soy milk is not just a simple beverage, it's a culinary delight with a rich history and fascinating cultural significance. Whether you enjoy it for breakfast, as a dessert, or simply as a refreshing drink, you'll be savoring a piece of Chinese tradition. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing food adventures. Cheers!